Everett, look
Come see
at
it.
look at Aunt Julie sent you a Christmas present.
What is this?
Go get it.
It's all yours.
Go get it.
What is that?
Wait, can you open it?
What's in there? What do you think's in there? Can you open it?
Can you open it? So delicate. This might take all day. Yeah, what's in there? Say, Daddy, help, please.
Can you pull? Pull. Grab a hold of that. It's here, right here. Pull that part.
Yay! What is it?
What is that? What is it?
Is that a ball popper?
What is it, huh?
Good job!
Hey. Can you roll?
And Christmas is a success.